Today at Mob House PunBoxing, at the very cutting edge of technology, we have something that will tell you that it's not about the size, it's how you play with it. That's what she said. Nice leh, my intro. So nice, give me a like lah bro. Okay, I'm gonna open the box first. It is brown, nothing special. I cut it slowly and I review what is actually inside. Tempest. What is this? It is very tempting, but don't go out and buy first. Let me unbox. You see the features. The box is purple, very nice. If you shake it, it will come out. This foam you don't need. And then you better keep the knife. Or not, you're gonna cut yourself. And the manual you can just throw very far away. But I didn't eat lunch that day, so I couldn't throw very far. I forgot what this is, so ignore that. Let me take it out first. The main event. How main is this event? It's like a steak in a candlelit dinner, bro. You see or not this thing? Huh? It uses USB cable, but then Simon cut away so fast. What you gonna see? Now you see the real thing? Huh? It's like a tiny arcade. How cute! You know? If only we can just shrink everything that we like your girlfriend, my girlfriend, your mother, my mother, you know? Then when they nag you, right, you just shrink them small like this lah. Very nice, right? This thing is from New Wave Toys and it's the Tempest X Replicade. Here's where you put in the tiny coins that do not exist. If you can find, tell me, because I want to collect. And here is the side where it looks awesome. And here it says Replicade Amusement, for your amusement, from New Wave Toys. New Wave? Maybe when I was born lah. And this is Atari also. And this way you put in the charging hole. No, charging port. Okay. And here's the volume dial and the power button. The speaker very small, but I'm pretty sure it does the job. That's what she said. Now you see the whole thing with it turned on. You see the game. It is very nice. Tempest. Yo, check it out. I was a bit young when this thing come out lah. Was I even born? I'm not sure. I gotta ask my mother. The little lights here. Pew pew. Very nice. Pew pew. Okay, let's move on. Oi, Simon! I asked you shoot B-roll. You play game for what? You play. Every day you only know how to play. It's okay lah, since you do such a good job making the intro like this. So that I asked Jay to later teach you how to shoot more. And you should follow us on Mob House Productions if you want to see Jay be gay. And subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Goodbye.